maraming tao nakatira sa bahay namin nun. So, hindi niya rin talaga kakayanin. But, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Nung lumipat na sila ng bahay, mas maliit na lang yung pamilyang inaalagaan niya. That's when I started feeling and seeing my dad as the provider na matagal ko nang hinanap. As in, hindi ko makakalimutan yun nung yung unang Pasko, at least in my memory, na hindi ako gumastos for Noche Buena, na meron ng hamon. And, yun. Push muna kayo ulit. Entertain yourselves while I compose myself. And, that's when we started being closer. Kasi, si Daddy, naging sweet na rin siya sa akin. Like, ano ba? Aga-aga. Naging sweet na rin siya sa akin. Every day, you know, he would text me kung, good morning, nag-almusal ka na ba? Kamusta ka? Nagtanghalian ka na ba? Gabi, kumain ka na ba ng dinner? I love you. Araw-araw yan, ha? No fail. And then doon ko nakita yung support na binibigay niya sa akin. Ever since pala bata ako. The fact na yung nanay ko yung katabi ko sa kama, ang laking bagay nun. Kasi nung nagkaanak kami, pag yung anak namin nasa kama, uy, hindi ko makatabi yung asawa ko. Pero siya, ever since, siya yung, he took a backseat. Just to make sure na my mom was able to take care of me. Siya yung nagbebenta ng mga album ko kasi uso nun, di ba? Uso nun yung piracy, di ba? So, ang dami mo nabibiling mga fake na mga CD nun eh. Kaya sa Airpa, tumibili yan ng mga bulto-bulto na CD, nilalako niya yan sa mga kaopisina niya. Siya yung nagdadala ng gamit ko sa mga gig. He was there. And it sucks lang that I only realized that he was there when he was already sick. So, you know, I tried, at least dun sa mga times na natitira pa, you know, to make new memories with my dad. So anyway, this song, Nandyan Ka, is about that. It's a song that I wrote na while I have regrets that I wasn't able to see agad all the good things and all the support that my dad has given me. Ano ba? I'm still grateful that he was there. And he's always been there. So yeah. Happy birthday. Okay. So anyway, this song is Nandyan Ka. And when we were choosing the songs that will be included in the album, our producer Jonathan Manalo volunteered to write the music for this song. It's a very beautiful song. So palakpakan po natin si Jonathan, he's right here. So yeah, I hope you like it.
Di ko man lang nakita simpleng